Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna be doing farm tour. So this is the end of our farm. That's my dad right there. We have many trees, okay? There's some sort of electrical thing. All of these weeds, plants. This is basically very big. You wanna see some snake holes? Coming right up. All of these good plants. We're nearly coming to the snake hole. I don't know if it's still there. Oh, we're also having a surprise guest. Cow. There it is. Can you see it, guys? I don't know if you can see it. I'm going closer to it. Okay, I don't know how this cow would react to us. I think we also have a big cow, but I don't know where that is. Oh, I see it. Guys, do you see that? I'm not gonna stay here. Run. Okay, let's not run. I'm super scared right now, guys. Okay, just gonna zoom in, but it will be kind of blurry. See that? That's the calf. I think there are two cows. There we go.
There's another one, the white one right there.
Oh God, I'm so scared. Are you scared?
I don't like cows.
I like calves. I don't know if you can see this, but that's our mom. Oh God.
Uh-oh.
I gotta run. It's cows, I'm so scared of them. I don't like cows, I like calves better. But calves which are very smaller. Okay, I don't know where the snake hole is. I'm completely lost. I'm not going to show you the snake hole, or maybe I will. Maybe at the end of this video. Here. Okay, go back here. Oh my gosh, I lost my slipper. Ouch, ouch, ouchie. Wow. I don't know where this branch came from. This is the other side. We got some. I think we've made another video on just saying that. I think it's the guava video. I think I'll put it in the description, guys. Check that out. It's one of our first videos. Just one. Okay. We'll get to the guavas anytime soon. I don't really know all of these plants' names, but some of them are pretty big. There. I think this is a plum, guys. Or is this a guava? Wow. We have so many of these that I don't even know. Now, I think that these are guavas. See this one right here? Yeah. Do you hear that cow, guys? I don't know about you, but I definitely hear it. It's getting so close. I can see it a bit. Wow. The farm's really big. Wow. Look at that one right there. Ooh. Look at all of these. I even had my just grandfather. Oh, I'm so scared. The cow is coming. Oh, wow. Let's look at these plants. Pretty good. Oh my gosh, the cow's coming right at me. I don't like this. Let's go through here, I guess. Please don't follow me, cows. Wow. Here, there are some tasks. Wow. It's beautiful. We're gonna step forward, of course. Okay. We're coming closer to the tanks. I don't really want to go to the cows. There's some cow poop everywhere. Not really everywhere, but somewhere. This will definitely go on the farming playlist and the plants playlist, which is new. I've updated the playlist. Oh wow, this is one of my favorite features. My granddad told me something that he would do here, but that was never possible, like ever. We go. So my granddad told me he would build like a pool, but no pool. There are many bugs there. Can you see that, guys? That one right there, that's a bug. Disgusting. So wow, there are many plants blocking my way. These plants don't want me blocking. There's an auto right there. I don't know if you can see it, but if there's a yellow thing, that's it. So this is something else. Oh my gosh, I just found, looks like a chameleon, guys. Think I found a chameleon. No way. I have some eyes on it. Look at that. I think that's a chameleon. Is that a lizard? No, it's not. It's a lizard. Or a chameleon. Look at this. I think I found some creature. It looks so weird. Let's go to this side. It's basically nothing, but I'm gonna show it to you anyway. All these plants here. Ooh, nice. Look at these. Wow. This might have been the thumbnail. I don't really know. It's pretty good. It's my dad again. Oh, we have so many weeds here. I don't know what that is. Wow. This is just one of the 2 farms. We also have another farm. We've made most of our farming videos there. Tell me, what is this? Just weeds. That is a snake hole. Might be, just might be, guys. I'm gonna show it to you. So, a little story that happened a few days ago, maybe a year or 2, not just a few days. So my grandfather was going on his tractor and he stamped on a snake. Yes, guys, an actual snake. And I actually saw that snake. Wow, what is that? I've never seen this. I'm not gonna go too close because who knows what is there. I think this is close enough, guys. Just a little. Yeah, who knows what's lurking there. Just gonna get out. We have all these other beautiful things. They look so green. Look so green. Basically, there's lots of plants here. Ooh, let me show you the jackfruit. I'm heading there. It's near, close. Well, not really that close. I might run. I can't really run because look at this. Does this look like a running place? I don't think so. Oh God. My dad almost threw it at me. My mom. Some hay, I think. Some more hay. There, hay. So, we are going to be climbing this. Whoever climbs it first wins. Wait! 3, 2, 1, go! Got it, I guess. Who do you think won in the comments? Comment down below. Let's see. Let's see who wins. 3, 2, 1. She wins. That's some jackfruit right there, guys. Wow. They're usually bigger, but I think it still needs to grow a bit. An amazing jackfruit plant. I think that's a guava plant. Look at that. My grandfather is moving the hay. There, the hay. Woo, the hay. That's my grandfather. Some good hay. I'm sorry if it's really blurry because I'm zooming in. Hi, Johnnie. He's one of my favorite cows. He's my favorite cow. So we have a farmhouse. Some brick. I don't know why that is here. Some more brick. This is a wall. Some windows. We have 2 rooms. So it's basically like stuff there. We got a seat here, seat there, and some chairs. And we have another room that's basically the entire farmhouse, and we've got some freshwater tank there. It seems these are baby date plants. There are no dates on them currently, but they will have more dates. This is the end, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video.
See you in the next one. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye,
Bye, guys.